Who invented it? Let's find out. Psst, there might be a tricky one in here. Or not. Who knows? What is the main purpose of an electronic speed controller, ESC, in a drone? You got it, to regulate the speed of the motors. Which of these instant foods relies heaviest on the process of drum drying for its production? Nailed it, instant mashed potatoes. Which statement accurately reflects the impact of Marie Curie's work on subsequent scientific advancements? It laid the foundation for nuclear physics. Which operating system was Microsoft's first commercially successful operating system? Nailed it, MS-DOS. What is a fast charger? DC fast charging or level 3? Primarily designed to do for electric cars. Quickly add a significant amount of charge. What significant contribution did Tim Berners-Lee make to the world of technology? Nailed it, the World Wide Web. Which inventor is credited with creating the World Wide Web while working at CERN? That's right, Tim Berners-Lee. Before the telegraph became widespread, how were stock prices typically communicated between cities? You got it, Postal Service. If you received the Morse code sequence, what would the English translation? You got it, I am happy. Why is it not recommended to microwave food in a sealed, airtight container? Correct. Pressure could build up and cause an explosion. Great job. Follow and come back tomorrow for Buffet.